What's up, folks? Mason Lucero here with BISH'S RV in Meridian, Idaho. Behind me is a 2022 North Trail 27 LRSS by Heartland RV. We're going to take a look on the inside as well as the outside and show you what this trailer is all about. Follow me. All right, folks, coming in here into the 27 LRSS, as you notice, it's a really functional open floor plan. All right, notice the super slide. You've got your dinette as well as your trifold sofa on the same slide mechanism, covering roughly 70% of your off-door side, really opening up your overall square footage inside. Take a look towards the back end here. Again, super open, dual recliners with great window coverage, allowing maximum, natural light to penetrate and really illuminate the interior. I love the lighter colors, the lighter aesthetic in here. It's not all one color, right? So it does add depth and texture. Check out this kitchen. I'm in love with the kitchen space. I'm a huge fan of the imitation butcher block countertops. Your flush mounted sink that's easily, you can easily clean up in here. Great for like a chef's kitchen if you do a lot of cooking, super convenient. Full-on residential faucet, tri-burner stovetop, oven, 6 cubic foot refrigerator, gas electric refrigerator, right, to kind of enhance your flexibility overall as far as where you're camping, if you're dry camping or if you're in a park. You got a microwave, good storage throughout, okay? Overhead storage in the kitchen as well as drawers and cabinet space. Let's go ahead and check out the bathroom over here. Centralized bathroom hub, everything in the same place. I love it. I love that it's all in the same room. I'm 5'9". Not the tallest guy, but as you can see, I got tons of room in here. Great head clearance and a really solid shower platform as well. You're not going to sag or, fall down in that shower. Cut. Action. Also, medicine cabinet. Huge fan of the medicine cabinet. Everything's got its place. Let's check out the master suite. North Trail is putting king beds in all of their travel trailers. Again, I'm just swimming in the amount of space I have in here. And you get good wardrobe space on either side of the bed. Not only that, check that out behind you, Blaine. Massive wardrobe space right here as well. I love it. That's a winning floor plan for me. Well done, North Trail. So that pretty much covers the inside. Let's check out some exterior features. All right, folks, so here on the exterior of our 27 LRSS, notice over here, this coach is designed for you to extend your camping season into late fall, early winter with the Yeti sidewall construction. These are 2-inch thick laminated sidewalls utilizing Azdel composite substrates in place of Luan, okay? So Azdel is going to be more robust from an insulation standpoint, and also utilizing a composite substrate is going to make delamination far less likely down the road. So a piece like this is going to maintain its structural integrity for longer. Another huge thing that North Trail does is they're utilizing wide track suspension. So these axles are sitting farther apart. It's going to significantly reduce the amount of sway you experience towing down the road. Great awning, power awning, 4-point power stabilizer jack system. Okay, it comes down nice and easy with the touch of a button. You also got a power tongue jack, so all power features on the exterior. Come check this out. This is a unique feature by North Trail only. They're the only ones in the industry that, in the travel trailer segment, utilizing a front storage cargo space this big. They call this the King Kong size storage compartment, and it's just massive. You can fit a ton of stuff in there. Huge fan. Slam latch doors on the exterior. Coming over to the front here, you've got a full molded fiberglass nose cap with great LED accent lighting. Overall, it's a winning floor plan by a winning manufacturer in my book. Again, I'm Mason, and hopefully we see you soon.